Hillbrow is the heart and pulse of Johannesburg. The dream is to keep this heart beating and healthy. It seeks to create a place of peace where many may seek refuge from the cold and find the promise of hope. There is an organization based on Christian values called MES that does just this by developing people and making empowerment sustainable. The MES vision is to change the heart of the city by empowering people to live independent, sustainable and meaningful lives. MES's history is a living testament of compassion that opens its arms to all, regardless of race, culture, sexual orientation, gender or religion. This impartiality has seen Hillbrow through South Africa's darkest times, like the xenophobic attacks in 2008. MES was established in 1986 and received its Section 21 status in 1989 with its own independent board of directors. This non-profit organization employs 250 permanent personnel. The organization has also ventured beyond its Joburg borders by applying its unique model nationally and opening branches in Port Elizabeth and Bellville, Cape Town. Over the past 23 years, MES has created this strategy to develop communities. It applies an holistic approach to help those in need. MES's work amongst the destitute communities within the inner city is focused on 3 core phases. This means that the homeless are taken off the streets and reintegrated into the community to become self-sufficient and proud members of society. This award-winning model is recognized internationally and provides a measurable solution in the battle against poverty. MES's programs can largely be linked to our City of Gold's migrant history. When people come to the inner city to find employment, it often doesn't work out as planned. They find themselves stranded, and this is where the outreach programs come to life. Intake programs include a wide variety of activities. These initially refer the needy to the assessment center. Outreach workers play a vital role in building a relationship based on trust. Outreaches are conducted directly on the streets, often in the dilapidated buildings of the inner city. People are then referred to the Social Services Department for an initial assessment which leads to the intervention phase. Social relief addresses the most basic needs in order to survive. The many homeless who make use of MES's services in order to survive on the streets are provided for through feeding schemes, overnight shelters, disaster management, and the distribution of clothing and blankets through outreaches and drop-in centers. Furthermore, services include training programs for students, educational programs for children, mothering skills for young women with babies, and home-based care for the elderly. Our professional social work services cover a wide variety of activities which support the individual through the whole process. Once assessment is done, a development plan is drawn up for each individual. This may include social services to families and individuals. These mainly focus on reunifying and ultimately preserving broken families, foster care, intervention for abused women and children, and the guardianship program for youth in conflict with the law. Individuals and families are closely monitored before they are promoted to the next phase of the program. Healthcare activities centralize around a home-based nursing care unit, which also provides primary health care to the community through a mobile clinic and sickbay. From here, patients may be referred to the Zaziwe Hope for Life Care Center. Here, up to 80 beds provide a haven for those with HIV/AIDS. The Wellness Clinic teaches each patient to take responsibility for their own health. Educational campaigns and support groups empower these individuals to make positive choices regarding their health. More than 850 people take part in an intensive education and skills development program. These programs include children in early childhood development centers and after-school care programs for vulnerable youth and adults. People need to be empowered and to learn how to earn an honest income in order to break the cycle of poverty. A wide variety of vocational and soft skills training programs make this possible, whilst taking care of people's residential and basic needs. The heartache and suffering people endure often has a devastating effect on their lives. The healing of these wounds through finding dignity, respect and love is facilitated through care groups, trauma counseling and life coaching. Residential life coaches are available throughout MES and our Madula Moho Housing Association. The success of the individual's development lies in their ability to exit the program and to sustain the values and skills they have learnt. MES has made phenomenal inroads by placing once disregarded youth in permanent employment. Follow-up and aftercare services provide much-needed support to the exit program. This care includes the support of foster care parents and children. The Madula Moho Housing Association, a sister company, provides a wide range of housing alternatives to lower-income groups. Through the provision of affordable housing, life on the streets is just not an option anymore. Through the association with MES, these tenants can access social, health, educational and skills development services. This forms a great partnership. Madula Moho develops the affordable accommodation and MES provides the programs that empower these communities. MES and Madula Moho was honored in 2008 with a Platinum Impumelelo Award. This is given to organizations that make a significant impact on poverty eradication. In June 2008, they received the coveted Halala Award for making a significant impact on the city of Joburg. In October 2008, MES and Madula Moho were the combined finalists in the Mail and Guardian Investing in the Future Award. Another key development of MES is the Twelopile Job Creation Program. Twelopile Recycling is a design and manufacturing studio in the heart of Johannesburg. The wide range of products manufactured here are made by hand and uses recycled advertising billboards. Following the program's success, it will soon be another independent partner of MES, which will feature its extensive range of products ranging from aprons to trailer covers, to shoulder bags and even furniture upholstery. Adding your unique product to our list is a great way to integrate this fantastic program with your business. MES believes that each person is unique. This is why we do not offer generic solutions, but rather development plans for each individual. This is why many South Africans have chosen to support MES.
The incredible thing about this organization is simply they do what I think one is supposed to do. They do not ask people's race, ethnicity, religion, medical aid. They simply help people and reintegrate them into society. And then the other thing that I'm particularly proud of as far as MES is concerned is that it's extremely well managed, wonderful corporate governance, so every rand and cent gets to the people who need it most.
I have the greatest respect for the people of MES. The combination of compassion, competence, of skill, of vision makes it a very unique organization. This place, this group of people really bring hope, they bring results, it works.
In these uncertain times, MES provides a measurable, humane solution to bring about change in South Africa, not only for the destitute, but for the corporate sector, government and the greater public as well. You too can partner with MES by sharing expertise, sharing time and resources, or contributing financially. It's actually quite simple. All it takes to change the heart of the city is to change the heart of the individual. In Hillbrow, we have changed many. Perhaps today, it is your turn.